What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. I'm at the Westfield Mall, you guys. We're gonna look around, see what deals they got. We're gonna get in on the raffle here, and then we're also gonna look around, see what's going on, you guys. See if they have any sales. I don't think Chic ever has any great sales though. Let's see. The store is pretty big. Like, everything's just usually retail though. The Jordan section's really dope too. They have a really dope area, but yeah, just no sales. We do got Bossco in the house. Bossco's trying to figure out how to do the raffle. But yeah, there is a QR code. Just put your phone right against there, and then bam. Then we get the L 2 days later. Alright, they got these as well. Let's take a picture of this one. And they got the fire reds too. Okay, fire red. Dude, that is so dope. I just can't pay retail for it because retail's like $1.20. But man, super fire. They got a whole up-tempo section, I guess. All the gear. Damn, these are dope, dude. Yeah, that's dope. Yeah, I just can't do retail on their stuff because, yeah, these are going for $1.10. Yeah, that stuff ain't cheap. And this is the Nike basketball section right here. I have like a love-hate relationship with this spot because they do get a lot of the releases. I got the PSG 4s here. I won the raffle, but the sale prices, they're just not there. They're always regular price. See, like, I feel like we've seen these on sale everywhere. These are going for regular price, the KD 13s. You know what I'm saying? Like we haven't seen the KD 13s on regular price. We haven't seen the KD 13s at regular price anywhere, dude. Okay, the PG's finally on sale. These are going for 90. These are 90 as well. Like they're on sale, but I feel like I've seen them on sale like way more than some of the other spots. At some of the other spots. So yeah, we'll find out because we're gonna go hit up some other spots. See, these are retail. Like, I feel like at some of the other spots I haven't seen any. At some of the other spots, like every one of the PGs have been on sale. 90 for those as well. All right, the selection is super dope. The Air Max 2090s right there. The 270s, not the 270 Reacts, but the regular 270s. 270 Reacts right in the middle. Oh, man, they got a lot of Air Maxes. Air Max 97s right there. They got the Vapor Max. Okay. They do have this really dope Jordan area. And I feel like a lot of Chics do. Got the 24 right. Did I say 24? Got the 23 right there. And then they got a bunch of Jordans, but yeah, their selection just isn't that good because I think all the retros here sell out super quick, so they rarely have any, dude. Yeah. They do got these bad boys. We've been seeing these a lot of places. These aren't bad though, man. Like, you know, the suede isn't the softest, but it is suede, and I'm just very impartial to suede. But yeah, I'm just not paying regular price. Like, maybe at the outlets I might pick these up. I saw them on like 30% off sale, maybe, or something. I don't know. See, I like these though. Leather's not the greatest, but yeah, I just like all black shoes. I don't know. See, like, they have gear too. Like, this gear, like, this is dope. It looks like you're carrying shoes around. But yeah, it's regular price, 35 bucks. I just don't do $35 t-shirts. But yeah, selection, not too bad. Just not that many people got retros anyways. See, like those shorts, I love those shorts, but I'm not paying $45 for those. I got mine at the outlets. I think I have a black and white one like that. And these, we've seen these at the outlets too. Different colorway, but the same style. All right. Second stop, you guys, Foot Locker. See what's up. This is the casual area. See what's going on here. It's a hilarious seeing these here. The Barclays. In my opinion, this is kind of mediocre leather. Like, did I say leather? Mediocre leather. So yeah, it's surprising. Yeah, trying to get $1.60 for this thing, dude. These have been sitting even at the clearance center, so I'm surprised they're trying to get the full amount. Well, they got some pennies here. I don't remember which ones these are. Got the pennies. Got another one of the pennies on sale. These are the penny 5s, right? Yeah, it's the penny 5s. But yeah, 80 bucks, not too bad. I think that's 50% off, right? These foams on sale, they've been on sale forever. These are the latest. This is the latest colorway of the up-tempos. I'm really not too much of a fan of these, but you know, I'm sure some people like them. Yeah, we saw this. I think this is the second to last colorway of these. Actually, wait. No, the black ones just came out. I think that's technically the newest colorway. But yeah, so this is like the third newest one, I guess. But yeah, chilling. They got plenty of Air Force Ones. They always do. Bunch of different colorways. Bunch of the classic colorways. Bunch of new colorways. They got the 2 black ones, the mids and the highs. They got a couple of the Crater ones. Is that Crater the recycled material one? I don't know. But yeah, I got a few, you guys. Got a few. Dang, these have been chilling, sitting, you guys. The drop types, holy crap, 20 bucks. Cheaper than the outlets. I think the outlets had it for 22. Then got these, oh, salmon colorway. We saw this at the outlet as well. The Blazer highs. These drop types also go for 20 bucks. Okay. If these were on sale, if these were on sale, it'd be on. This is dope. Like, I love the suede that they use. Man, it's super dope. They do got these. Okay. We got these, $80. Alright, so these are the Nike basketball ones. We're gonna go over each one of them. I feel like I've gotten over all of them recently, but people have been requesting, so let's go over each one. These are the newest pair of basketball sneakers here. This is the Kyrie 7s. Kyrie 7s. Let me know what you guys think. I know Bossco loves these. I kind of like the 6s a little bit more. I think the 6s just look a little bit better. But these are going to be easier to put on though. Because there's no strap. The strap makes it hard. Even the 6s I feel like are a little bit tough to put on. So yeah, these are going to be a lot easier. Looks like the price didn't go up. It is $130, so same as last year it looks like. Go with the second latest sneaker here. These are the Zoom Freak 2s, regular price. In my opinion, this is my favorite colorway, the white cement one. These are on sale. I think this is the first colorway that they had. The Niger ones go for 100 bucks. These I think were 130, right? Yeah, most of the other ones are 120. This was 130. That was the second colorway. This was a regular one for 130. Or 120, my bad. Yeah, these are the regular ones going for 120. Now they're down to 100. And I think this is one of the latest colorways, you guys. Yeah. Oh, got some nubuck on the side right there. Okay. I'm not too much of a fan of these, but if you guys like them, you guys like them. KD13s, perennial sales item, you guys, always on sale. They started at $150, now they're down to $139 and $79.99, you guys. PG4s, is this the only one? Wow, they usually have a bunch on sale. The Digi Camel color with the PG4s. Kyrie 6s, always on sale now since the Kyrie 7s are out. This is the Midnight Navy colorway. This is the 1111 colorway. Then we got the Kyries, you guys. These are a mixture of the Kyrie 4s, 5s, and 6s. I think this is the best colorway out of all these, but that's just my opinion. This one probably the wildest one. I think this is the SpongeBob collection, right? Because it has a SpongeBob thing right there. The inside as well. Another Kyrie one. Then we got the Kyrie Low 3s. A few different colorways of those all on sale. Because I think the new ones are about to come out, right? Then that's the last one right there, you guys. Oh dang, I almost forgot about the LeBrons. These are the LeBron 18s. I haven't seen this colorway, so I don't really know this one. Okay, not too shabby. I think so far, I think this is my favorite colorway. It does have a little bit of pink on it, but I don't know. I'm a fan of this colorway. I think this one looks the dopest. These are 200, so okay, not bad. Hopefully I can find one at the outlet. This colorway at my size, well, you got a couple of the 17 lows left over. Obviously the 18s are out now, so they're gonna be on sale. And yeah, this is the all black color right here. This place is packed. That's how the COVID numbers are going on. This place is packed. Donovan Mitchell 1s, you guys. Obviously they're on sale because the 2s are out now. Of course the Ultra Boost, always on sale. Wait, but they actually have some Ultra Boosts not on sale. What happened? I thought this was the outlet. I always said Foot Locker is the Adidas outlet. Maybe that's starting to change. Yeah, I don't see any other Ultra Boosts on sale. Wow. All right, we're gonna have to investigate this now. We're gonna have to see what happens at some of the other stores. Dang. All right, those Vapor Max 360s normally go for $225, so I do have a couple on sale for $140. And then these Vapor Max right here, okay, $140 for these. What did these normally go for? $210. These went up to, okay. Dang, and by the way, we did see this earlier, and it is on sale. That other one didn't have a sales tag on it. Dang, this is dope. For $60. I think it'd have to go down a little bit more for me to get it, but yeah, these are dope. The suede feels really good on them. Man, that's what's up. Is Bossco taking some orders? Bossco taking some orders over there?
Trying to.
Huh? Okay. Helping out his members, you guys. Don't forget, he does have a membership program.
Yep.
I still get, I talk about this like every other video. I still get people asking me almost every day to do pickups. I don't do pickups. He does. Talk to him. All right, stop number 3 here, you guys. JD Sports. See if we can find some dope stuff. All right, this is the Jordan section, you guys. They got some dope stuff, man. I got some dope stuff. I've seen these on people's Instagram feeds, but I've never seen these in person, dude. These are fire, dude. These are dope. Dope. I don't know what's it called, but yeah, these are dope. Dude, got these here as well, man. This place actually got some stuff. The laser blues, I think that's what they call it. They only have bigger sizes than these. I will post these on Instagram because I know some people are going to be dying to try to get those. So I'll post it on Instagram. Dude, got the core purples. I think the smallest size is at 13 though. So they only have the huge sizes left. Dude, got a couple of mids. Got these. I don't remember what colorway that is. And then got these. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't even look into the mids that much. So I don't know the colorway. My bad, guys. But I know a lot of people have been trying to get these, which is dope. Dude, got the 11s as well. And then got these. Is this the bread colorway? Is this the bread? I don't know. No, I think there's more red on that one, so okay. We are in the women's section. I've never seen these before. Pretty dope. Got different texture, different print right there. Pretty cool. All black. Yeah, I'm kind of whatever about these. I'm sure people like them though. $100. All whites, can't go wrong with all whites. Then got these, you guys. Whoa, that's dope. That's different. That's different. Like the color changes depending on the angle. Yeah, that's dope. $90. And then got these. You know I love these because they got suede on it. I'm such a tool. But yeah, got suede on. That's dope, dude. That's dope. $80. I like that sale too. Could be a lower, but you know, Air Max 90s are popular, man. Well, I'm in a different section. They got a few more Air Max 90s. No, I like those other ones better. This is one of the OG colorways, right? And then got these. Yep. The sales not really hitting too much at this JD Sports. Like even when they do have sales, it's only $30 off. Like really? And then these, this got that recycled look to it. Has that crater vibe right there. Okay, these are pretty dope. But yeah, like 220. Yeah, no, I'm good. But dope. All right, let's go see what's up at the next store. I think we got 2 more stores here, huh? Yeah, they got a lot of stuff here. Take care, bro. Got a foot action. I think this is a foot action, and then I think we have a Champs later. But yeah, let's see what's up over here. Foot action's been having some great deals, so I'm always expecting a lot of foot action. This is the Jordan section. Kind of what we expect at most spots, like not too many retros, or not any retros. Oh, actually, wait, you know, they do have a couple. In the grade school section right next door, they do have the Seattle 10s, which is pretty dope. And then they do have the denims, the denim 6s. Do have a pretty good section of RS6. A bunch of them are on sale. But we've covered these a lot, so I'm not going to go too detailed into them. What's this little area on the side? What's this? Oh, so it's a women's section? Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay. All right, they do have a women's section. Look at this. The RXXs. Holy crap, $20. Interesting colorway though. $20? Holy crap. We got another one for $40. Got some Converse. Okay, some Chucks. Okay, these aren't the 70 high OGs, but hey, this is $30, man. Oh, and it gets even better. Gets even better. $20. Holy guacamole. Oh, I'm surprised because you never see the white ones on sale. White ones are never on sale. These are stay at 55 issue. Wow. Wait, I just checked. These are up to 60 now? I thought they were 55. What the heck? Holy guacamole. Damn. Does this have a Nike Day one? Okay, the Air Max 90 right here go on clearance. And the sales in the women's section way better than the guys, dang. Yup, look at that. Look at that. Oh, dang, the background light's making my screen look all weird. But yeah, $60. Nike outlet prices, you guys. Holy guacamole. $50. Those going for $70. Dang, Air Max 2090s going for $60. Wow. We've seen these on sale, seen them at the Nike outlets. I don't think we've seen them for $80 though. Really good price. Oh, I didn't even notice Bossco's done. But yeah, there isn't that much. Let's go to the last store, you guys. Let's go to Champs, the last store. All right, there's a Champs right here. Let's go inside, see what's going on, you guys. See what's going on. All right, man, let's see what deals they got here at Champs. I'm seeing some interesting stuff already. Who's this aimed towards? Like, is it for the kids? Like, cause it's like for the kids, they're not gonna remember Bugs Bunny, but for us older folks, like we're not gonna wear these, are we? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I have nothing against them. I just couldn't imagine buying this. No, we got these again, you guys. Oh man, I don't know. We saw those Converse on sale on the women's over there. Not really seeing the same out here, especially not with the guys. Prices are way higher. They're on sale, which is dope, because you rarely ever see the old school tracks like that on sale. No, but these aren't the old school. I thought these were the all white ones. Never mind, dude. Way different. But yeah, $40. Dude, got these on sale. These are, oh my goodness. Never realized how heavy these are. Holy crap. Holy crap, these are heavy. Here, hold this. God damn, this is heavy. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap. Alright, these are better. This is dope. I'm surprised to see these on sale. The Hardens. The Harden collab. I think they call this what, the OG versus OG, I think? Did Nike copy, did Jordan copy the Reebok on these? You know how the Jubilees are now? How they got the Jordan on the side right there? Okay. I know other sneakers have done that, but still. $120 for those, not bad, not bad. Then they got these bad boys too. I've never seen this colorway. Okay. Cool for, I don't know, that's not really a Boston colorway, right? Or is it Boston colors? Doesn't seem to match perfectly. Like the green seems to be a little different, but not too shabby. Dude, got plenty of Air Max. Dude got sales signs on them, but nothing too crazy. Price is not too crazy. $100. I think this is like the only really good deal, but that colorway is kind of mediocre. See, like this one's way nicer, but it's what, $30 off? Wait, Air Maxes are up to $180 now? I remember when they were $160. What the heck? Damn, yeah, they creeped up. $180 now. They're charging $180 for all of those Air Max 95s. But the Air Max 97s are $170 now, or is this an older one? Because that one is $180, now it's down to $150. This one's also $180 as well. I think this is like the dopest one. Look at this. What the heck? Color like kind of fades from dark to light in the back and the middle right there. Got the camo. That's dope. I don't know about $180 though. These on sale. Told you guys these will be perennial outlet buys. They're always going to be on sale. They're not bad. It's just they just didn't hit like that, I guess. Dude got a GS sneaker right here. This is dope. Air Max 97, $80. The kids go for $160, so 50% out, not bad. Couple Prestos on sale. Going for what, $80 and $100. Damn, they got a lot of Prestos. Holy crap, they're all on sale. Alright, dude, got some Pegasus. The Pegasus is starting to go on sale now. That's pretty dope. It's only $20 off. It's supposed to be super dope. Alright, we're gonna wrap it up. VIP line. We're leaving the club now. So we actually came back to JD Sports. Bossco heard from one of his members that they want something, so he ended up coming back, getting this for one of the members. Yeah, these are fire, dude. They're fire. So yeah, check out his membership program. I don't do pickups, so check his thing out.